of sin x power x plus x power sin x, the most important essay question. So the given question is find the derivative of the sin x power x plus x power sin x. So first I take that given problem is equals to y. Let y is equals to sin x whole power x plus x power sin x. And to find the derivative of this problem, first of all we have to take that the first value is equals to y1 and second value is equals to y2. So first I take that this is y1, this is y2. Put y1 is equals to sin x power x and y2 is equals to x power sin x. Therefore, now what is the given question? Therefore, the given question becomes y is equals to y1 plus y2. Now taking the derivative, then dy by dx is equals to, just applying d by dx to this equation, dy1 by dx plus dy2 by dx. That is taking the derivative to all the three functions. So this is the required answer. The answer is, first we have to take that first value is equals to y1, second value is equals to y2 and given question is equals to y and forming the derivatives to all the three functions and finding the derivative to the first value and derivative to the second value and adding these two values to get the required answer. That is the procedure. First of all we have to find the dy1 by dx value, that is taking the derivative to this term. That is, first take this one, y1 is equals to sin x power x. Now since this is the x power x function power x function, so to find the derivative to this one, first we have to apply the logarithm. Sin x power x, both are the x functions, so applying the logarithm, that is log y1 is equals to log of sin x power x, which implies log y1 is equals to, now writing the power as the coefficient value, that is x into log of sin x. Now finding the derivative, applying d by dx to this equation, which implies d by dx of log y1 is equals to d by dx of x into log of sin x. d by dx of log y1 is equals to d by dx of log of sin x. Now how to find the derivative here? Since this is in the form of u into v, this is the product of the two x functions, x and log of sin x. So we apply the uv rule here. Now what is the uv rule? d by dx of uv is equals to u into v dash plus v into u dash. Now applying that formula to this one. And what is this form? This is log x form. And what is the derivative of log x? d by dx of log x is equals to 1 by x. That is d by dx of log y1 is equals to 1 by y1. Log x 1 by x, log y1 1 by y1. But what is x value here? Log x. What is x? y1. Again we take the derivative of that function. dy1 by dx is equals to, what is the formula here? u into v dash, that is x into v dash log of sin x whole dash plus v into u dash. What is v value? Log of sin x into u dash. What is u value? U is equals to x dash. So which implies dy1 by dx is equals to, now writing this y1 to this side, so this is y1 into x into, now this is log x form. What is log x derivative? 1 by sin x. Log x 1 by sin x. What is x here? X is equal to sin x. Again sin x derivative. Sin x derivative is equals to cos x plus log of sin x into x dash, x derivative. X derivative is equals to 1. Log x form, log x derivative 1 by x, log sin x derivative 1 by sin x. But what is x here? X is equal to sin x. Again taking the sin x derivative, d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x plus log of sin x into x derivative is equals to 1. Therefore, the value of dy1 by dx is equals to y1. What is y1 value? Here we take that y1 is equals to sin x power x. That is, substituting that value here, y1 is equals to sin x power x into cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x is equal to cot x plus log of sin x into 1. That is log of sin x. Now this is the value of the dy1 by dx. Now we want the dy2 by dx. For that, taking y2 value first. What is y2? y2 is equals to x power sin x. Same procedure. Now applying the logarithm first, that is log y2 is equals to log x power sin x. Now writing the power as the quotient, that is sin x into log x. Applying the derivative, that is now applying the d by dx, that is d by dx of log y2 is equals to d by dx of sin x into log x. Now what is d by dx of log y2 value? Log x 1 by x, log y2 1 by y2. But what is x here? y2. So dy2 by dx is equals to uv. Both are the x functions, x into x, u into v. What is the formula? D by dx of uv is equals to u into v dash plus v into u dash. Now applying that formula here, u into v dash, sin x into log x whole dash plus v into u dash, log x into sin x whole dash, which implies dy2 by dx is equals to, now writing this y2 to this side, y2 into sin x into log x derivative 1 by x plus log x into sin x derivative cos x, which implies dy2 by dx is equals to, now substituting y2 value. What is y2 value? y2 is equals to x power sin x. So x power sin x into sin x by x plus log x into cos x. Now this is the value of the dy2 by dx. Now what is the given question? We want the value of dy by dx. Now what is the dy by dx formula? Already from the first equation we have that dy by dx is equals to dy1 by dx plus dy2 by dx. This is the equation 1. From equation 1 first we take this one. Now substituting the values. Therefore dy by dx is equals to, what is dy1 by dx value? This is equals to sin x power x into x cot x plus log of sin x. X cot x plus log of sin x plus dy2 by dx value. What is that value? X power sin x into sin x by x plus log x into cos x. That's all. This is the answer. Very important essay question.